Another state took a cowardly tactic to try to strip the Second Amendment. Imagine waking up tomorrow to find out that your legally owned firearms are now illegal. Not because you've done anything wrong, but because the government changed their rules overnight. A quick shout out to our sponsor, Sonoran Desert Institute. If you're looking to take your passion for firearms to the next level, whether it's gunsmithing or firearms technology, SDI is the place to start. They're an online accredited college, and you can get your career started at sdi.edu/GNG. Check them out to learn more down below, and let's get into this. Sounds like a dystopian novel, but it's actually unfolding in Hawaii today with Senate Bill 401. Welcome back, Patriots. If you value our constitutional rights, especially the Second Amendment, this is a video you cannot afford to miss. Today, I'm going to tell you about Hawaii's SB 401, a bill that could set a dangerous precedent for gun owners across the country. Yes, you, in your state. Senate Bill 401, which stands to be passed by Hawaii's legislature today, aims to ban the sale, transfer, and possession of so-called assault weapons, including many semi-automatic rifles and shotguns with certain features. It also targets .50 caliber rifles and standard capacity magazines. While proponents claim it's about public safety, the bill's broad definitions could criminalize many law-abiding citizens overnight. And wait till you hear how these friggin' cowards did this. SB 401, make no mistake, bans semi-automatic rifles with detachable magazines. It outlaws assault shotguns, which they say are any shotguns that are semi-automatic that could hold a fifth or sixth shell, anything more than 5. It affects guns with magazines over 10 rounds. That's just about anything that except a detachable magazine. And no public testimony was allowed. None. We don't care about you scumbag citizens, our servants. We will do this on our own. And it's up to 5 years in prison for violations. What's more concerning is the method they used to pass this bill. These coward, I'm going to try to stay family oriented on this one. These coward lawmakers employed a gut and replace tactic, inserting the language of a previously failed bill into SB 401, effectively bypassing standard legislative procedures and public input. Meaning, we really want this gun control, but it failed. We couldn't pass it. But let's do this sneaky thing where we're going to take the wording of this bill out and insert this one, and nobody will know. Well, under SB 401, if you legally own a firearm that falls under these new definitions, you have limited options. You can render it inoperable, you can surrender it to the government, or you can remove it from the state. And since it's a pretty long swim from Hawaii to remove things, we know that probably isn't going to happen, right? Now remember that, 3. This isn't just about Hawaii. It's a test case on how far states can go in restricting gun rights. There's a 4th option they didn't tell you about, and it's the best option for these firearms. And it's one I think Americans need to embrace again. Become ungovernable. Come and take them. You coward legislators don't have the intestinal fortitude or the balls to get in the stack, stand outside those doors, and come confiscate them yourselves. Good luck, you Sallies. And to you coward-ass police officers who will enforce this stuff, you're the problem, and you'll be dealt with, and history will show that you're on the wrong side again. Now, even the Hawaii Supreme Court has taken the stance that diverges from federal interpretations of the Second Amendment. I've covered this before. They suggest that there's no individual right to carry firearms in public under the state constitution. This challenges the very fabric of our national understanding of gun rights. Oh, yeah, you remember, right? The spirit of aloha supersedes the U.S. Constitution. Now, while Hawaii might seem distant from where you might live, the strategies and legal interpretations used there will influence other states. The blue states, if you haven't noticed, they're bluing harder than they ever have before because of who's in office right now. If such measures go unchallenged, they will erode the Second Amendment rights of citizens nationwide. It's essential to recognize that this isn't an isolated incident, but part of a broader movement to redefine gun ownership in America. And you can bet your bottom dollar that if and when the Democrats have control of the presidency, the Senate, the House of Representatives, more of this is coming, and faster than we can push it back. If you're as concerned as I am, it is time to act. All of us. Here's what some of you can do right now. Stay informed. That's the easy part, right? Regularly check for updates from reputable sources. Hopefully you consider Guns and Gadgets one of them, about gun legislation in your state. And all you got to do is hit that subscribe button and turn the bell notification on, and I'll keep you informed because I report on this stuff every single day, oftentimes multiple times a day. You can also engage politically. Contact your local representatives and demand that they listen to your views and concerns and follow their oath of office. I know, that's a difficult one. 3, support advocacy groups, organizations, and local gun right groups that are on the front lines defending these rights and fighting back in the courts, as well as in the capital of your states. Educate others as well. Share this video and the information with friends or family, neighbors. It's time to start raising awareness. You know, our forefathers used to go to the taverns to do this stuff. You're on the tavern right now watching this video. We are the way that patriots share information, and the Tories, who own this platform, hate it. So we have to work harder. So I ask you to please like the video. It takes a second. Share the video. It takes a second. Subscribe. It takes a second. Turn on the bell notification. So 4 seconds of your life can help other patriots in other parts of the country see what's coming next. Remember, our rights are only as strong as our willingness to defend them. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with other patriots, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on issues that matter to all of us. Together, we can stand firm in defense of our constitutional rights. My name is Jared, this is Guns and Gadgets, and I'm very, very humbled that you're here watching the program. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. God bless America.